Wait, don't scroll. This is something you'll want to hear. Hit the link in the description because this product is honestly a game changer. People aren't hyping it for no reason. It's smooth, powerful, and designed so well that it feels premium right out of the box. And trust me, it's super beginner friendly. I was surprised by how quickly I got used to it, and even more surprised by how well it performs. If you want something that works flawlessly and makes your day easier, this is your sign. Click the link and see it for yourself. Seriously, you do not want to miss this. Before you scroll away, hit the link in the description. Trust me, you will absolutely thank me later. Now, let me tell you why this product has been blowing up everywhere. People aren't just talking about it because of hype. They're talking about it because it actually delivers results. The performance is incredibly smooth. Wait, don't scroll. This is something you'll want to hear. Hit the link in the description.